Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. If you're new here, big welcome to you. Come on in, sit down. Hope you can find that little bit of inspiration to spark that imagination. That's what we're here for. Today we're going to start a series. This is part 1. We're going to build the fairy village. A couple weeks ago I did a Dollar Tree in Joann's haul. And in that haul, I bought several little birdhouses, all different shapes and sizes. And we're going to turn those into fairy houses. And I keep saying we because I have picked up a new partner. My husband. He has decided he wants to help. And to be honest, he is more than just help. He has the best creative ideas. He's doing all the work. He loves to work with the tools. And he can figure out so many things I never even thought of. So I have to give credit where credit is due. And he is creating this fairy village. So I hope you enjoy this series, and let's get to work. Today's part 1 is another of his inspirations. We're adding the holes for solar lights, so at night it looks like people are living in the houses. It works. It truly works. And we're going to put extra holes for these little gems to look like windows. So let's quit sitting here. And Kelly says it's time to get to work. Yeah, that's one of my normal partners. Let's get to work, shall we? And there it was. That's part one. Drilling the holes for the solar lights that are going to turn into cute little chimneys, by the way. Holes for the windows. And we used the plugs that we got out of it and cut them in half, as you can see from the end there. And we're going to put shutters on those windows. I told you, he's creative. So I really appreciate your time that you spend with me. I love having you around. And I really hope that you were able to find that little spark of inspiration and to get that imagination going. And if you enjoy these tutorials and would like to see more, please remember, hit the subscribe button. It's down in one of the corners here. And hit the little notification bell so it will tell you when I upload, which is generally every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Fridays are Fast Fridays, I call them, where you get a tutorial and catchy music all within 2 minutes or less. So I really hope you have a great week. I want to thank you again for keeping me company, and I really love you guys. So I will see you later. Bye-bye now.